Guess who's back? The Congressional Budget Office. Let's just say you wanted to start a youth camp. You would hobble your peg-leg self over down to the Congressional Budget Office. And inside the Congressional Budget Office, they're gonna go through your whole corn list and tell you, hey, if you wanna open up a new section of government, you gotta get rid of Pongzilla, Sri Lanka Hot Mama, and all 150 of your corn subscriptions. Now, once they tell you you have enough money to open up that section, since you got rid of all your corn, they say, yes, we have enough to open up your youth camp. We'll put more people in it, the people will fund it, and that's how that works. I'm here to stop you from eating rat stew. Let's get to work. We're removing the motor mounts on here. If you don't want to eat rat stew, let's get these motor mounts off. We have got our radiator in all nice. Oh man, look at that. Everything is like shiny here. I love it. 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 Okay, so we're gonna start plugging things up, but first, let's get to these mounts. Once the mounts come off, oh man, we can just start putting things back together. This is gonna be so dope. I'm gonna move over to the back of the car too, and we're gonna add a nice little piece, just make it look nice. That's about it. All right, we got the pump pulley. All right, nice. Let's put this back on for the time being. Gotta get rid of this trash. We need to start going for, I believe, and pull all these up here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me see. Oh man, that thing was so stuck. It almost ruined the bolts on this thing. There we go. Okay, and then let me dig through this and get the other one out. Come on, where are you? Go. Clean this off. Yes, sir. The budget office. It's where you go to make sure that you can spend the money that you spend in the government. It's completely independent. Completely independent. Yes, sir. You know the beauty of this? the beauty. There we go. And I'll use that weird contraption to hold it down to make sure it's nice and snug. It's turning right now, so. Yep. I'm just telling you how it functions. It's not like they didn't think about it. I mean, hey man, you could have, you know, extra porn subscription. You forgot, you know? That's cool. Cool to bring somebody in there. You know, I might have forgotten an extra subscription somewhere or something. But I don't think we need it. I don't think we need it. Yeah, this is gonna need some more tightening. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna clamp up this hose so we put our new hose on. Clamp it up. Slide it on like that. Perfect. That's not going nowhere. Nothing is coming out of it. All right. We found our entry point. Beautiful. Way down in there. Nice, very nice. Okay, it's nice and loose. I'm using a very flexible head and extension, and I just got this from Harbor Freight. This thing is making this job somewhat easy. Nice. Found another spot. You can come after it. Just gonna break it. Come on. There we go. And then we have to go underneath. See if we can gain entry from down there too. There we go. under here. Okay. Should be able to get this bolt off that I loosen. There we go. Nice. I'm gonna go for this one and then go for that one on the other side. This one here too should be, this one here too should be loose. Dastardly fit, but we can get to it. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so just gotta get to this nut, lift up the engine, and this baby's coming out. All right, so we got the engine hoist, well, you know, engine support bar, and I'm slowly lifting and trying to make sure the mounts come out of their place so we can get these new fresh ones in. Oh man, which they have a little divot right here so they can sit and you'll know that you've got them in. All right, so the driver's side was pretty easy to get out, I can tell. We're gonna have a problem with the other side. Let me get this side in. It's kind of weird getting it out. So yep, let's keep going. You are gonna have some trouble. This is for my E46 M3 guys. You are gonna have some trouble with the passenger right side. You may kind of have to drop like the subframe a little. There's about like 4 bolts, and if you can just kind of lower that down a little, the newer ones can go in. The weight of the engine crushed the old ones, so the new ones going in are gonna require a little bit more work. But other than that, that is it. We'll be right back here right next week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Rod Steel is ready.